Hi honey bunnies, it's me Jenny. I have this very short video for you guys, but a few of you guys are asking me about my calendar DIY board that I did for the October or for the Halloween series. And I just finished doing the one for December. So I kind of wanted to show you like what it looked like finished. I mean, it's not exactly finished. I just sprayed the tags. I put the numbers on each tag. And I basically just have to like decorate a little bit in a Christmas kind of vibe my board. So the concept behind this calendar is what I did for the Halloween series was I use each tag to identify the DIY projects that we did together. And so I'm going to be doing the same thing for Christmas. I already spray painted my tags. As you can see here, it turned out so beautiful. I did this last night. It literally took me like less than like 10 minutes to spray paint all these 31 tags. I know Christmas, the Christmas series, I should have really 25 tags, but I figured for the last few days of December, maybe we want to do some like, I don't know, last minute little projects, and so I just did like the whole month. What I did was I spray painted these tags. Now let's talk about the tags. I used these shipping tags that I got at Tuesday Morning a few months ago. You can get these tags anywhere, to be honest with you. Michael sells them, AC Moore sells them, even the Dollar Tree sells shipping tags. You can probably go to Office Depot, Staples. I mean, literally, you can find these anywhere nowadays. So I just used these regular shipping tags. And what I did was I basically just spray painted each tag. I used about 2 to 3 little pumps of this on each tag. I went back in with a tissue to kind of wipe off the extra spraying of the bottle. And that's basically how it turned out. I mean, I absolutely adore how this turned out. I love that the pink is not too bright, but it's absolutely beautiful. And again, the Christmas theme for this year is going to be pink, so it makes sense. Now, for the Halloween series, I used these stickers from Michaels, which I absolutely love. And it's just a number stickers. It has 1 through, I don't know, like 10 or whatever. But I realized while I was going through my stash that I also had these stickers that I bought last year from Tuesday Morning. So what I did was I used these because these makes more sense to me. It's 1 through 31, and I kind of really like these. I like that there's only one little package versus the Michael. I had to probably get about 4 or 5 of the Michael little package to complete this calendar look versus using just one. So I really love that. Okay, so what I did was I basically just numbered in a little corner, as you can see here, my tags 1 through 31, which is down there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding all the DIY projects that we're going to do together on these tags. And that's basically it. It didn't really take me that long to do this. Literally, it took me, I think, less than like 5 minutes. I mean, it just, okay, maybe less than 10 minutes. And the spraying, when you spray the tags and you let it air dry, it takes literally like 5 minutes to dry. It don't even take that long. So I love this concept. You can actually use the same concept for like an advent calendar also. That would be a nice idea as well. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like all kind of set up. I'm going to decorate my little section, and then I'll probably Instagram it or take a picture of it and post it in Instagram so you guys can see it. Okay, honeys? A very short video. I just wanted to show you because I know a few of you guys were asking questions on what supplies I used for this project. Okay, so I'm gonna do a revisit my stash for Christmas next. that's gonna be fun. I have here, hold on, let me close. I don't want to make you dizzy, but here I have the iris containers that we're going to do. Down there I have more stuff that I need to organize, and then my kitchen table looks like a freaking mess, but that's okay. I have this to show you, and I just finished setting this up last night. So, and then I have in here some stuff to show you also. So I'm gonna show you. It's probably gonna be a very long video, but that's okay. I think you guys are okay with that. I'm gonna give you a revisit tour of what I have for the upcoming Christmas series. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.